Hey, what's up guys? Alan here with the eat-to-sleep-trade.net. I'm going to be bringing you guys a video on how to buy Bitcoin and how to obtain Bitcoin. So if you guys are interested in just getting a little bit, or if you are interested in maybe trading it into some cryptocurrencies or getting it into an exchange, first step is getting your currency or your money into Bitcoin, and that's what we're going to show you here. Alright guys, so first up, let's talk about not just what Bitcoin is. I think we all are kind of aware of what Bitcoin is, but what cryptocurrencies are. And essentially, from what I understand, these cryptocurrencies are kind of like an industry specific Bitcoin or an industry specific coin, altcoin, that people can use to trade like Bitcoin. And one of those altcoins is BAT, or basic attention token, and that's what we're taking a look at here. And if you're new to the cryptocurrency world, this is a token or a coin that I could recommend to you. It is a very solid coin. It is from the creators of JavaScript and the co-founder of Mozilla and Firefox, and they have created a new browser called the Brave browser, which is what you're looking at here. So we're currently using the Brave browser, and their goal is to to make digital advertising better for content creators. So, you know, things like YouTube, where everything's getting demonetized and the rate of payment to content creators is very, very minimal, and seems to be diminishing as time goes on. These guys can step in, and now you have something you can get instead of being paid by YouTube. You can accept BAT, and yeah, you know, it's another form of payment, but in form of a cryptocurrency. So I highly recommend that you guys look into basic attention token, BAT, and also check out the Brave browser. It's great. It's really beneficial. It does a lot of ad blocking. You could see here it saved me 3 seconds in time. It's blocked 6 ads and 42 trackers have been blocked. So it's a great browser. You know, all those news stories that you click on and you get tons and tons of pop-ups, this kind of just takes care of that for you, so that's pretty awesome. Now let's talk about how you can buy some Bitcoin, because you're going to need to buy Bitcoin in order to trade it onto an exchange and be able to buy some altcoins or other cryptocurrencies like BAT or that basic attention token. And one of the easiest ways to buy Bitcoin is you can just go find an ATM locally, that Bitcoin ATM, and put your credit card in, and you can just buy some Bitcoin that way. I've heard a few people doing that, and I guess it does work fairly well, and it is pretty easy to do that way as well. But another way is you can just go to bitcoin.com and you can download a free wallet, and that's what you're going to store your Bitcoin into. And once you download that free wallet, it is going to be an app, and it will look like this right here. And from there you can click buy Bitcoin, and it'll take you to a site where you can use a credit card or checking account, and you can purchase Bitcoin, and then you'll be able to send that Bitcoin from your wallet over to an exchange and begin trading. And another option, and the option that I actually prefer and like the most, is Uphold, and very simple to use. So let's go ahead and log in. Okay, so when you log in, this is what your main homepage will look like on uphold.com. And what you'll want to do is click your USD card. So basically each of these cards are like credit cards for you, and each of your credit cards can hold a specific type of currency. So you can have a credit card that holds US dollars, which is what I need, and probably most of you need that follow my channel. And you can have a credit card that holds your Bitcoin, a credit card that holds your Ethereum, your Litecoin, your Bitcoin Cash, Dash, BAT, that basic attention token like we were just talking about, which is something that's super beneficial with Uphold. Is not only can you get your US dollars into Bitcoin, but you can actually buy a couple other things as well, including gold. And BAT and allows you to own some other cryptocurrencies and a couple of the more known altcoins without having to put your Bitcoin into an exchange, which is another step that we'll cover here shortly. So on the main page of Uphold, you'll have a US dollar card, so you can just click that and you're going to come right over here to add funds. And basically you can just choose from a US bank account, your credit or debit card, or if you have a cryptocurrency in another wallet or on a Bitcoin wallet and you want to send it to Uphold, then you would just click this right here and you pick what type of currency that you want to transfer. I recommend transferring in like Ethereum over Bitcoin because the transfer fees seem to be less expensive. And basically what you would do is hit generate address, and here's your address that you would send your Ethereum to. So if you guys have any Ethereum, you want to send it to me, there's an address. No, I'm just kidding. And then you can go to your Bitcoin card, go to add funds, and again you can do that you can just go straight from your bank account right into your Bitcoin card. Alright guys, that is going to wrap it up for how to get your currency into Bitcoin, so then you can upload it into an exchange and trade it for other cryptocurrencies, or you could do a couple of cryptocurrencies on Uphold as well, so don't forget to check that out. I'll leave some descriptions down below so that you guys can find all this stuff and take a look at it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter so we can trade, and I'll see you guys in the next video.